For generations, we've known that true vitality comes from within. At Shabazz Holistic Health Services, we guide you back to your body's natural balance by honoring the wisdom of nature and holistic care. In today's world, toxins and stress challenge our health. That's why our approach is built on 3 pillars: elimination, detoxification, and education. We don't just treat symptoms, we address root causes and empower you to take control of your health. Our services include personalized consultations, specialized detox programs, and nutritional and lifestyle guidance designed to support deep healing and lasting energy. We also believe knowledge is power. Through our educational platforms, we help you stay informed and engaged in your own wellness journey.
Now is the time to invest in your well-being. Choose natural healing and lasting vitality. Contact Shabazz Holistic Health Services today and begin your journey to a healthier, balanced life.
This channel is a welcoming space for everyone, from doctors, surgeons, psychologists, nurses, health workers, lawyers, judges, pastors, bishops, regular people who want to take care of their own health naturally, especially those who seek natural, holistic approaches to health challenges or simply expanding their knowledge. Whether you are well or facing health issues, you are warmly invited to be part of our community. Because of love, we invite you to join us. Our seminars and conferences explore a range of chronic health challenges and how to deal with them by using natural remedies. Section 1 of our seminar. This section focuses on educating men about natural prostate care, including guidance for those diagnosed with prostate enlargement or cancer. It also addresses related health concerns such as kidney and liver problems, sexual dysfunction, diabetes, hypertension, fostering information, discussion, and support. Section 2, we warmly invite our esteemed sisters and mothers to join us in addressing critical health matters including cold, breast cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, fibroids, menopause issue, breast control pills and its side effects, all women health concerns. In a spirit of unity and care, we engage in open discussion to promote awareness and prevention and mutual support.
At Shabazz Holistic Health Services, in today's world, toxins and stress challenge our health. That's why our approach is built on 3 pillars: elimination, detoxification, and education. We don't just treat symptoms, we address root causes and empower you to take control of your health. We also believe knowledge is power. Through our educational platforms, we help you stay informed and engaged in your own wellness journey.
Now is the time to invest in your well-being. Choose natural healing and lasting vitality. Contact Shabazz Holistic Health Services today and begin your journey to a healthier, balanced life.
Welcome and thank you for joining us on this holistic health journey. I am Ambassador Herbal Shabazz, holistic health specialist, and I'm honored to be your travel guide today. Our conversation is open, respectful, and direct. Nothing shared here is intended to be personal or offensive. Our goal is simple: education, awareness, and empowerment. With all due respect, let's get strictly into business. We wash our clothes after exposure to sun, rain, and harsh conditions. In the same way, our bodies require regular cleansings to remove the toxin we accumulate daily. One thing is clear: toxins do not eliminate all toxin from the body. It's not possible. But if we eat all our foods, our drinks, those are things that have autopsy in it, and we are taking it in our system. And here comes our pressure. Where it developed from. Don't take our pressure medications. Okay? But what are you eating? Your lifestyle. So if we eat all this food, all this chicken, meat with all those chemical components, gets deposited in our system. Our immune system starts to reject. Now we start to have pressure, diabetes, all chronic condition. We certainly don't take our pills. You are only either on a case. Many people say, I know what I eat. That may be truth. But knowing what we eat is not the same as understanding what our food contains. As a holistic health specialist, I love listening to people's health story, especially for those who have some money. Some of them believe that they eat well, drink wisely, and take a little bit of no medication. Only sometimes take their baby aspirin, their baby paracetamol. How is that possible? Because if you tell me what you eat, what you drink, I'm going to tell you the kinds of hospital bills that await you tomorrow. Clean your blood. That's the first thing we have to do. Clean your blood. Your colon, clean it. Then your immune system will be happy with you. The kidney will be happy with you. The liver will be happy with you. The heart will be at rest. But if you tell me you know what you are eating, what you are drinking, then you are telling me that, oh, my pressure is killing me. Come on now. Because I know very well that if you don't want to get sick, don't eat. But if you decide to eat, you have to know what you are eating and how to clean it from your system. My role is not to convince anyone. No. But to support those who really want to take personal responsibility for their health, naturally and intentionally. I'm willing to help them. By the end of this journey, you will begin to see food differently, with a deeper understanding of what we consume. The human body is not designed to handle constant chemical exposure. Sometimes many people do not really get concerned about their health until it slips away from them, or after the age of 60. That's the time a lot of people get concerned to get to know, oh, I think I have something called kidney, I have something called liver, I have something called prostate. Our program empowers you to take natural responsibility for your health through education, guidance, and hands-on training. We focus on helping the body to eliminate, detoxify, and neutralize toxins accumulated over the years from our foods, our drinks, our medications, our lifestyle. Please watch a video, and afterward we will share simple practical holistic health approaches to help support and restore the body after years of stress and exposure. Please do me a favor. Like, share the video. Meet you on the next video.